Gary from Richmond has a question about a window gap.
He's not sure about a finish detail the builder did on the house, Tom. Gary writes, the builder caulked the window frame where it meets the brick on the sides, but as you can see in this picture he sent, he didn't caulk along the bottom of the window. Mm-hmm. And he wants to know, should he fix that? Should he go caulk that or not?
It should be caulked. So why they did do it, maybe the guy ran out of caulk and said, oh, I'm going home, and they forgot about it. It's one of those things where somebody just forgot about it, didn't tell anybody.
Well, they did it pretty consistently. I'm thinking they figured out how many feet of caulk they had and said, well, if we don't do the bottoms, we'll be good.
Who knows what happened?
Yeah.
Maybe they fired the guy. I don't know. But anyway, nobody tell anybody. But yes, it's a simple answer. Just caulk it.
All right. So is it possible, though, that the caulk was put in under the window and he just can't see it?
No, I'm sure there's tape, but you don't want water getting back under there.
So go ahead and just run a bead and have it over with.
It's done.
All right, easy enough. See, even easy questions we can handle. We like the complicated ones, whatever kind you have. Go ahead and send them to us. Go to HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom form, fill it out, and send it in. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.